You want ice cream? Eat ice cream. I mastered 3 Ninja Creami recipes that pack over 40 grams of protein for a fraction of the calories of regular ice cream. First, we'll add milk to each of our pints, and then our vanilla protein powder. And now the flavoring, we'll go PB Fit, coffee concentrate, and the icing of an Oreo thin. Now a touch of xanthan gum, so we get a nice creamy texture, and a pinch of salt for each pint. Give each a good mix. I'm using a milk frother, and then we'll add in our real peanut butter. And for this one, you just mix it in with a spoon, and then a little bit of vanilla extract over here. First up, the Oreo Blizzard Creami. This one's definitely in my top 3 of Ninja Creami recipes. For the mix-in, we're using Oreo thins to save on some calories, and there it is. Texture is absolutely on point, tastes absolutely phenomenal. And now on to our coffee and donuts creamy. Our mix-in will be these high-protein donuts. Cube them up and put them in the middle. And now you can have ice cream for breakfast. Super rich and creamy and has that caffeine boost for the morning. And now for the peanut butter Oreo creamy. Our mix-ins will be the Oreo thins. Drop those in the middle. And just a great contrast of flavors, the Oreos and the peanut butter. And like the previous 2, texture is on point. If you want more high-protein Ninja Creami recipes, download my Protein Pint Starter Guide where I'll give you 3 free Ninja Creami recipes.